things the world tells us. We believe those things. How many of you were told when you were young that you couldn't do something? We all were. Would you like to hear something that somebody told my mom? They didn't tell me, they told my mom. My mom didn't tell me until I was about 25. I started playing the guitar when I was 13. And my piano teacher told my mother that I would never amount to anything as a piano player. We changed piano teachers. I never knew why until I was 25. But just think if I'd heard that. I may have given up the piano completely and never played again. Because we allow those things that we hear to mold us. And those aren't the things that God speaks over us. God speaks blessings over us. And God speaks love over us. And God sees so much potential in you. We just have to be open and allow those good things that God wants to pour into us to leak in so things can grow. This summer was a pretty dry summer. I know a lot of us have complained about the rain the last week, but we needed it bad. We really did. How many of you have those terrible cracked places in your yard from it being so dry? Yeah, your yard gets all cracked and dry. And when it finally does rain, the rain won't even soak into it. It just runs right off. You see, we get to choose. We can either be hard, dry, cracked ground because we believed all those lies, or we can be fertile soil so that when God pours out his blessings on us, we can soak it in. We can just relish it. We can become all that God sees us to be. I want to dream.